Moroccan interior designing style is all about color, texture, and fluid lines. It can be exotic, elegant, luxurious, and dramatic, all in the one go. The designing style draws much of its inspiration from the Moorish design of the East and from the shapes and colors of the rolling desert. Moroccan look really started big time in the 60s when the hippies from affluent backgrounds spent time in the countries and brought the look back as a non-conformist style. Moroccan decor and designs does not usually contain harsh lines and edges. It's all about comfort. Its designing elements are also very intricate, colorful, and textural. So let's see how well the hippies and travelers brought back the elements of Moroccan interiors and how you can incorporate into your own space. The Moroccan architectural style was influenced by countries like Arab, Spain, France, and Portugal. This style commonly uses R-shaped doors and entryways into traditional Islamic keyhole design. Domes are a common architectural element. It also tends to include open courtyards, water fountains, and gardens. When it comes to choosing color palette, it draws inspiration from Morocco's landscape. Bold colors such as fuchsia, royal blue, deep purple, red, yellow, and green, with soothing colors of the desert such as sand, taupe, beige, and shades of white. Bold accent walls are common in this style. Without patterns, this style cannot be defined. You're surely going to get confused while choosing patterns, but you can absolutely involve Moroccan, Zeliger, geometric, and tribal patterns. Comfort is an important element in Moroccan interior design. All Moroccan furnitures from sofa, poofs, ottomans, and decorative hand carved wood tables sit low to the ground to promote comfort and response. Some characters of Moroccan furniture are tables are frequently topped with inlaid tile designs or topped with large brass or copper trays. Rugged carved woods, chests and tables are commonly inlaid in mother of pearl designs. Contrast is the goal here. Upholstered furnitures include reclining couches, usually draped with fabrics and accented with colorful pillows. Overstuffed ottomans are frequently used as an accompany chair and sofas. The unique blending of Berber and Islamic style creates a very distinctive style. Zeliga tile. These are terracotta tile work of enamel chip sets in plaster to create mosaic geometric shape. This design also uses lots of ceramic tiles. It plays a really important role. They are bold and brightly colored, and there is no limit to where they are used. You will also see a lot of wood as they are framed in walls, tabletops, staircase, your doorways, fireplace, mirrors, and picture frames, and more. In your ceiling, go for molding, paint, or wallpapers. Heavy ceiling design works best. You also need to work hard on bringing intricate jali design that can capture the authentic Moroccan design. Textiles in Moroccan decor features lots of lush fabrics in rich colors, intricate textures, and busy patterns. Silk, cotton, gauze, natural fibers like cotton is used in upholstery and curtains which are naturally woven. Authentic Moroccan rugs can be pricey as textiles are also important floor coverings, often seen in woven, kalim rugs and over-dyed vintage and tribal print rugs. For your window coverings, consider draped curtains at the window that are commonly used to divide rooms to framed window. You can also go for crystal curtains to create beautiful and shimmering partition. Lighting is also a really distinctive aspect of this look. Buy different sorts of metals from brass and copper to silver and gold. Light the room with lamps and pendants of geometric shapes made up of colored or stained glass, cut metals, and carved wood. Mirrors are wonderful tools to reflect light around the room. Artwork and accessories help in blending your designing style. You can incorporate ceramic plates, tribal rugs, and Moroccan artwork in your walls. To style your space, use photo frames, poofs, candles, pots, kettles, deeply carved wood, cushions, throws, onion dome shaped frames, jewels, embellishments, scattered tropical plants, including banana trees, papyrus, and colorful baskets. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ikani Interiors Workshop for more interior related contents.